Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with South State Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Start by gathering all your financial information.
Collect your income statements, including pay stubs and any other sources of revenue.
Next, list all your regular expenses.
This includes rent or mortgage, utilities, grocery.
Make sure to account for both fixed and variable expenses. Once you have your income and expenses, it's time to analyze them.
Determine your total monthly income by adding all sources together. Then, calculate your total monthly expenses.
Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation.
If you're spending more than you earn, it's crucial to identify areas for cuts.
Consider using South State Bank's budgeting tools to simplify this process. Log into your South State Bank account to access budgeting features. Utilize the budgeting calculator to track and plan your finances more effectively. Set specific financial goals for yourself.
Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Allocate portions of your income towards these goals.
Using automatic transfers can help ensure you stick to your plan. Stay disciplined with your spending.
Regularly review your budget to make adjustments as needed.
Account for any changes in income or expenses on a monthly basis. Make use of South State Bank's financial education resources.
These resources can provide tips on financial literacy and managing money more effectively.
Consider revisiting your budget quarterly to reflect on your progress. Celebrate small victories as you reach your financial goals.
Remember, effective budgeting is a continuous journey, not just a one-time task. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.